The Seed Young Entrepreneurs program began in 2021, helping young entrepreneurs get their businesses up and running, with guidance from mentors and prize money to be won.
I never thought to start my business this year. It was kind of something in the background for me.
We got together really with the City of Kalamunda, the Kalamunda Chamber of Commerce and Hawaiian, and really thought there was a need for a youth program. Youth have got some amazing ideas and we just wanted a platform to showcase that. So from that came the Seed program, and we've put it out to everybody in the City of Kalamunda in terms of sort of age between 15 and 25 years with a great idea, or a seed of an idea if you like, to come and join the program.
The young entrepreneur's journey with the Seed program began with workshops, where they were given guidance and support by mentors on how to start their businesses.
We're very excited about the potential of being alongside some young entrepreneurs for a few months and assist them in their journey.
Well, at the start I was here to learn just from the mentors, but now that I'm actually here, I'm really thinking about giving it a shot. Why not?
Hawaiian are proud to be involved to really support and help young entrepreneurs, give them confidence, give them some advice along the way, and even a little bit of money to help them start their new initiative.
The young entrepreneurs were left with great insights from the mentors to prepare a business pitch. This pitch was then put up against a panel of judges to declare who would win the cash prizes.
My name is Tarek Attar, and I'm the owner of Faction Studios.
The owner of Lamoda Apparel, and my business is getting thrifted clothing from shops and reworking it into more wearable items.
Hi, I'm Rachel Whittington, I'm 16, and my idea is Off the Cook. This is an app targeted at university students to provide them with quick, affordable, sustainable and convenient recipes.
So the criteria for judging the presentations today are looking across the whole business cycle. So looking at how innovative the business is, how well the marketing plan is, how well they're pitching the presentation, and just generally looking at how this whole business could scale and how likely it is to succeed.
I felt the presentation was amazing, very supportive judges in the panel.
I think it's just amazing that there's so many young people with so many good ideas. It's going to be hard to find to try and choose a winner.
The awards night celebrated the end of the Seed 2021 Young Entrepreneurs program, with 3 runner-up prizes and 1 for the overall winner.
Thank you for your hard work and taking the initiative and daunting step to put yourself and your ideas out there. Especially that first step can be really daunting in a program like this where it's a competition and you feel like you're competing against other young people, but you should be really proud of your efforts.
Rachel, who thought she'd be another 5 years before she starts her actual business, and I'm really pleased to hear that she's into it and up and running. To hear that Tarek's first collection was sold out, and he's taken some time off uni to really concentrate on business. I think that's just awesome.
The 3 runner-up prizes of $500 each was the Pitch Award, the Innovation Award and the Marketing Award.
I am pleased to present the major overall award of $1,000 to Tarek.
I'm going to invest into the business, go into the marketing, make a bigger collection, move forward and progress.